Today, I want to show you how to unlock the full power of Rev's mobile app. Whether you're recording a meeting on the go, reviewing a transcript between appointments, or sharing files with your team, Rev's mobile app puts all of these capabilities right in your pocket. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about creating content. When you open the app, you'll immediately see the option to record new content. From the lower right-hand corner, you can click the microphone button and immediately start recording. You'll see a live transcript begin to appear. If you need to pause, click the pause button. You can click resume to start up again. When you're finished, click stop, save and transcribe, and confirm your order. Then you'll have started creating an AI transcript. Additionally, you can go over to the plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner, and that will give you multiple options to create a new transcript over and above simply recording. From here, you can upload videos, paste a URL of a video from the internet, paste a meeting link, upload a file, and you can also record audio directly from here. Now let's take a look at how to review your files once they've been transcribed. When you open any file in the app, you'll notice the tab-based navigation. The Summary tab gives you an AI-generated overview of your content. The Transcript tab shows you your complete transcript. The Media tab shows you the audio and video associated with your transcript. And the Details tab provides file information and additional options. Speaking of options, in the Details tab, you can upgrade to human-verified transcripts when you need 99% plus accuracy for your critical content. Managing and sharing your files is simple too. You can tap the ellipsis in the corner, which will allow you to manage access permissions, share files with your teammates, chat with AI about your content, open the web version of Rev, rename your file, and move it to a different folder. The Meeting Hub is also available on mobile. Just like the web version, you can view past meetings and upcoming scheduled recordings. You can see what's on the docket for today and what you've recorded in the past. You can also toggle on so that your Rev note taker will join an upcoming meeting from here. Additionally, you can head over to Past Meetings, where you can access meetings that you've recorded in the past. You can see your summary, a transcript, media, and details from there. Two important notes. To upgrade your account or manage your transcription, you'll need to use the web version of your account at rev.com. This cannot be done through the mobile app. Secondly, the Rev Mobile App is not a phone call recorder. Rev records meetings and audio, but not phone calls. And remember, the Rev Mobile App synchronizes seamlessly with the web version, so you can start work on your phone and continue on your computer without missing a beat. The Rev Mobile App puts the power of Rev in your pocket. Create, review, and share content wherever you are. Download it today from your app store. We're dropping new videos in our Rev Basics series all the time. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any tips on getting the most from Rev. See you in the next video.